Welcome to our explanation of semi-solid die casting. In this video, we will break down the process, highlights its application and related design information. Whether you are an engineer, designer, or simply curious about this die casting technique, this guide is designed to provide you with valuable insights. What is semi-solid die casting? And how does it differ from traditional die casting? Semi-solid die casting involves injecting metal that is partially solid and partially liquid into a mold. Unlike traditional die casting, which use fully melted metal, this method uses metal in a semi-solid state, often described as a slurry. This approach reduces turbulence during injecting, leading to parts with fewer defects and better mechanical properties. What are the primary advantages of using semi-solid die casting in manufacturing? It improves part quality by minimizing defects like porosity and shearage, resulting in stronger, more reliable components. This process also extends mold life due to lower casting temperature, which reduces the thermal stress. Besides, semi-solid die casting enhances surface finishing, often reduce the need for further finishing operations. Which materials are most suitable for semi-solid die casting process? Semi-solid die casting works with various alloys like aluminum, magnesium, zinc. For aluminum, common choices include A380, ADC12, aluminosilicon 12. This variety lets manufacturers pick the best material for their needs. What are the common applications or industries that benefit from semi-solid die casting? It is used in various industries that need high-performance metal parts like automotive, aerospace, marine electronics, medical devices, and robotics. In the automotive sectors, it's great for making key components such as engine parts, transmission housing, and structure body components. In aerospace, this technique helps produce lightweight, strong structure, boosting aircraft fuel efficiency. For marine electronics, items like radar housing and heat sinks are often made using semi-solid die casting. The medical field demands high precision and consistency, and this method is ideal for crafting surgical device housings and precise medical components. In robotics, making durable and wear-resistant precision mechanical parts is crucial, and semi-solid die casting's high density and low distortions make it perfect for producing core robot components. What are the typical design considerations and limitations when working with semi-solid die casting? When designing for semi-solid die casting, it's crucial to maintain uniform wall thickness, typically between 2 to 4 millimeters, to ensure consistent cooling and minimize defects like porosity. Adding draft angles of 1 to 2 degrees make it easier to remove parts from the mold, reducing the risk of damaging during ejections. Ensuring overall design uniformity helps prevent stress concentrations and warping, leading to high-quality castings. What are the key differences between the thixocasting and rheocasting in semi-solid die casting? Thixocasting and rheocasting are two methods used in semi-solid die casting, each with different processes. In thixocasting, precast metal billets are reheated to a semi-solid state before being ejected into mold. This approach often results in consistent microstructures and high-quality parts, but can be more costly due to the need for specialized billets. The other is the rheocasting, involves cooling melted metal directly to the semi-solid state and then cast it. This method is generally more cost-effective since it uses standard alloys and eliminates the billet preparation step, though it may present the challenge in controlling metal cleanness. Both techniques aim to improve the property of casting components by utilizing the unique characteristic of semi-solid metal. What is Sunrise Metals semi-solid technology like? Sunrise Metals semi-solid die casting process involves several key steps to ensure high-quality castings. First, a probe is immersed into molten metal to inject inert gas and rapidly stir the mixture, creating a semi-solid slurry with fine solid particles. This slurry promotes uniform solidifications, enhancing the structural integrity of components. The slurry's smooth flow into the mold reduces the risk of gas entrapment. After filling, the slurry solidifies into a high-quality casting, which is then ejected for further processing and surface finishing. What are the limitations of semi-solid die casting in terms of part complexity and size? While semi-solid die casting is great for making complex parts, really intricate designs might still need extra machining to get the details right. Also, the size of the part is limited by the casting equipment's capacity and keeping the metal in its semi-solid state during the process. So, it's important to consider these facts when planning your project. What are the quality control measures specifically to semi-solid die casting? In semi-solid die casting production, keeping a close eye on various facts is key to producing top quality parts. It's important to monitor the mold temperature, often using specialized equipment, to keep it within right range and prevent defects. Also, watching the temperature of semi-solid slurry ensure it stays in the optimal range of proper flow and solidifications. Controlling casting parameters like injection speed and pressure is crucial to achieve the desired structure and strength in the final product. By managing these aspects, we can consistently produce high-quality semi-solid die casting components. How does semi-solid die casting impact production costs comparing to other casting methods? Semi-solid die casting can have higher initial setup and equipment costs compared to traditional casting methods. However, it often leads to cost saving in the long term. The process produces parts with excellent surface finishing and precise dimensions, which means less need for extra machining. It also results in fewer defects parts, reducing waste. Plus, because it operates at low temperature, it can save on energy costs. So, while you might spend more upfront, semi-solid die casting can be more economical over time. We hope this overview has deepened your learning of semi-solid die casting and its benefits. If you have any questions or are considering this method for your project, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.